Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining a clear output, a full arrangement, a loop, or a melodic sketch. Choose a genre and BPM, then collect 2/4 reference tracks to set style expectations. Once done, create a short seed, 8/16 bars of melody or a chord progression. Next, pick an AI approach, sample-based for timbre, symbolic for MIDI or hybrid, because tool choice affects workflow and output control. Make sure to set the desired output format before generating audio. You now iterate. Generate stems or MIDI and run 3-5 variations, tweaking prompts, temperature, or seed length to explore ideas. After each pass, import MIDI into your DAW and edit chords, voicings, and rhythms to fix harmonic or rhythmic inconsistencies. Add humanization, velocity variance, and small timing offsets so things feel alive. Once comfortable, layer complementary instruments, arrange verse and chorus sections, and craft transitions with fills, risers, and automation to guide energy through the track. You finish by mixing. Set balance, apply subtractive EQ, gentle compression, and stereo placement to create clarity. Then prepare a master or use a mastering service. Target loudness appropriate for platform and export at 16-bit/44, 1K Hz or higher if needed. Once exported, listen on multiple systems and adjust. If you hear AI artifacts or glitches, try resynthesis, narrow EQ notches, or regenerate the problematic stems with adjusted prompts. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.